was so dramatic. Step number 1 and the most important step is to make sure that your hair has no knots, because you will face a lot of problem if you have knots. You'll have to start all over, and yeah, that's really frustrating because the braid is already a bit complicated. So make sure that your hair has no knots.
Start with the 3 strands, just like the basic braid. One thing to remember about French braids is that the side strands will always move over the middle strand. So I am taking the left strand and crossing it over the middle strand, bringing it towards the right, and with the right strand I am again crossing it over the middle strand and bringing it to the left. That's your first loop. From here you have to add hair to both of the side strands. You can see I'm adding hair to the left strand and also adding hair to the right strand. Remember, even after adding the hair to both the sides, you have to cross the side strands over the middle one, always over the middle strand. 2 things that you have to remember about French braid: that you have to cross the side strands over the middle one, and secondly, you have to add hair to the side strands and then cross it over the middle strand. When you have no hair to add to the side strands, once you reach towards the bottom, it's alright, just complete your braid and start pancaking your braid. Pancaking part is totally optional. If you don't like fluffy braids, you are just a weirdo. I have no idea why you don't like fluffy braids, but basically pancaking is the main secret in this braid. So start pancaking your braid if you want to. If you don't want to, you're still a weirdo to me.
Okay, I pancake a lot. This is totally optional. If you don't want to, don't. But as you can see, I am like going on and on and on. That's because I just love the extra volume, and don't get worried about this like extra pieces falling out. It doesn't matter. I love pancaking. I mean, you feel like, you see, literally I don't even have that much of hair, but it feels like I have so much of hair. It's just the fake volume. Literally pancaking can make a simple braid so pretty, like a frozen version. So I'm just adding a scrunchie, optional again, but it just adds a, you know, a little bit of aesthetic vibes, and I'm all about aesthetic, so why not?
Baby, you're a challenge. Let's explore your talent. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you're just my type. Oh, na 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 na. I need a...
That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like the video if you guys like the video, and stay safe, wash your hands, and bye.